Continuing coverage tonight, a former Columbus police officer is being held on a $500,000 surety bond. Ricky Anderson is facing murder and reckless homicide charges in the shooting death of Donovan Lewis last August.
Anderson made his first court appearance today. 10 TV's Lacey Crisp was in the courtroom as that bond was set. She's live tonight with the outcome. Lacey.
The former Columbus police officer appeared via video conference. Meanwhile, Lewis's family was in court for the brief hearing.
Yes.
Former Columbus police officer Ricky Anderson appeared via video conference from the jail and stood motionless during the brief hearing. Anderson is facing charges stemming from the shooting death of Donovan Lewis. Columbus police were at Lewis's house to serve him on multiple warrants, and he had a pending felony charge of improper handling of a firearm. In court Monday, Anderson pled not guilty, and attorneys argued over bond.
If the special prosecutors believed that Mr. Anderson was in fact a danger to the community, Your Honor, logic dictates that they would have rushed this process to the grand jury. However, they allowed him to remain in the community for 11 months.
Defense attorney Caitlin Stevens asked for a $250,000 bond. Special prosecutors did not specify an amount.
There were no statements taken at the scene and didn't answer any questions. Also, on page 8, where in their motion referencing that he continues to cooperate with this investigation. I'm not sure whose investigation they're talking about. Maybe he's cooperating with the defense's investigation, but that doesn't apply to us.
Magistrate Pamela Browning said a $500,000 cash surety bond. Stevens believes her client was justified in the shooting.
The defensive justification is such a niche one that we as the defense have to prove by a preponderance of the evidence whether or not he had a subjective belief that he was in imminent fear of serious bodily harm or death, and that his belief was in fact reasonable.
While Lewis's family were in court, they declined to comment. On Friday, Lewis's mother said she was relieved Anderson was facing charges.
I'm still sad because bottom line is Donovan should still be here.
And Anderson's next hearing has not been set yet. Reporting live, Lacey Crisp, 10 TV News.